Hello there, this is Larry Norris, Director of Channel Enablement for izmoweb. Today we're going to talk about how to build your list. This is your target list of customers you're going to call on to sell the izmoweb website solution to small businesses. It should be a pretty straightforward process. You can use it for the websites I'm going to show you, and you can also use it for any other types of local directories in your area. We're going to talk about Google, Yelp, and YP. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is pull open a web browser. I'm going to start off with yp.com. And you can see there's a nice search menu here when you open up yp.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for yoga studios in Kansas City, Missouri. The great thing about YP is you can see here it pulls up a nice list for you. You have the telephone number, the name of the company, you've got the address, city, state, zip. A good bit of information for you to determine whether or not you should call on them. There's also a little thumbnail on the left-hand side. There's an image of the business. If there's no image there at all, they might be a good target for you to call on. So I'm going to scroll down the list, and I'm going to look at Body and Soul, Kansas City. What I do is I right-click on the name of the business, and then I click on Open the Link in a new tab. Once I open that link, you can see that it opens at the top of my browser. I'm going to go to that tab, and I have some more detailed information here about Body and Soul, Kansas City. What I really want to do is look at their website, though, so I can still see here it says Visit Website in the middle of the page. Once again, you right-click on that particular link. The reason that you right-click is so that your list is maintained that you created in yp.com when you originally did your search. So I'm going to open that link in a new tab, and you can see it opens a tab at the top of the menu. So as you can see, this particular website is very old looking. It's outdated. Doesn't have very nice images at all. In fact, there's just some graphics without any photographs or images. So it's an old website that needs an update. So this would be an ideal target for you to call on. Next, we're going to go to yelp.com. And you're going to follow the same kind of a process here. But at Yelp, just as an example, I'm going to go ahead and search for hair salon in Tallahassee, Florida. And once again, on Yelp, there's a nice list of prospects that come up in your search. You can see here you've got the name of the business, you've got their rating, you've got the company name, you've got their address, telephone number. Same kind of a process here. I'm going to scroll down, and you'll get good at looking for businesses that might be good candidates for a new website. I'm going to check this one here out, number 2, which is Lauren Jane Berquist. Again, right-click on the name. Open the link in a new tab. It opens a new tab at the top of my screen. I'll click on that tab. I'm still in Yelp, but this is some more details about the business, some testimonials from customers of hers. Now I want to go to the website, so I'll find the link to the actual website itself. Again, I'll right-click on the link, open the link in a new tab. I'll go to that tab. Now I'm actually on the website itself for Lauren J. Berquist. You can see once again this website it's old, it's outdated, and it does not have very good images or graphics. The page loads are likely to be very slow in this particular website, but more importantly, it's not going to be found very well in Google. Or most importantly, I'm sorry, it's not optimized for mobile. So as you can see here, when I resize the screen, so I grab the corner of my browser and I shrink it up to be approximately the size of a mobile phone. But as you can see, the screens or the images do not resize, nor do the menus resize. So in order to actually review this website on a mobile device, you have to scroll around. It's just not you can't navigate it very easily. It's not optimized for mobile, so the user experience on a mobile device is suboptimal at best. So people will leave this website and they'll go back to doing another search in Yelp to find another solution. Now, just to give you an example, I'm going to go to izmoweb.com, and I'm going to go into services, and I'm going to go into yoga studios, And I'm going to click on one of the templates that we have available here in izmoweb.com. I'm going to go to Live Preview. And then you can see here, if I scroll down, I'm going to grab the corner of the page on yp.com and notice how the images and the menu items resize to fit on a mobile device. This is critical for any kind of website in this day and age because over 70% of all searches are done on mobile devices. So it's a huge selling point if you find prospects that you're trying to sell to and their website is not optimized for mobile. It's a huge selling point to sell them a solution that's optimized for mobile devices or any size devices. It can be tablets, laptops, and PCs as well. Okay, so the last directory website I'm going to go to is Google. We all know Google, and Google's a great resource for finding businesses that you're going to call on to sell the izmoweb website solution to. So in this particular case, I'm going to search for lawyers in San Francisco. And you'll see once again a nice list comes up. I'm going to click on More Places, and then a very comprehensive list is shown for lawyers in the San Francisco marketplace. If you scroll to the very bottom of this list, you'll see many pages of lawyers in San Francisco. Maybe they don't need a little more lawyers in San Francisco, I'm just not sure. So I'm going to go to page number 5, just randomly select a page here. Now I'm going to scroll down this list, and I am going to look for a website that may not be optimized for mobile, or maybe they don't have a website at all. So I have not done this. I'm just going to select a website. Once again, I'm going to open the link in a new tab. And I'm going to select Premier Tax Attorney. So once again, I'm going to right-click on the website link. So I'm going to open the link in a new tab. Once that website comes up, so you can see this particular website, they've got some images, they have some content. The content very well might be decent content, but the fact of the matter is you can see from this website, when I resize it to see if it'll fit on a mobile device, it will not fit on a mobile device well. So the navigation, again, not good for mobile, not optimized, will not be found very easily in search engines. That's why they're on the 5th page there of Google. So what you want to do is look for businesses that do not have a website, that have a website that's old or outdated looking with non-updated images, and look for websites that are not optimized for mobile. Those are going to be your ideal candidates to sell the izmoweb website solution to. So good luck selling. Have a great day.